Check it out, man. My name is Kenzo, and this song right here, Baba, goes out to Manyora.
Hola bafethu, igama labo PTT Mahom, namhlanje ngiphethe nosisi wethu number 1 naye kuma recovery. So she's our first lady kuma recovery bafethu. Sisi wami ngicela usibeke ukuthi ubani.
Mina nguThami and ngiphume lapho angibiza Thami.
Thami.
Yeah.
Bafethu, isibonge sisi wami ngiyajabula ukuthi nawe uthathile isikhathi sakho nakonke okubekelana sisi wami. As agent of change, angazi ukuthi ngathini ne mara like ngiyakhuthala ukuthi like this thing is going forward. Uyangithola? Izola we our first lady kati uqala nje ubara she's still an addict. Namhlanje we have our next lady uyangithola mara undlulile la, so this thing is going forward ukuthi kamampela even if undlulile ungenile still there's a chance ukuthi uphume. Okay sisi wami ke ngicela usixoxele kabanzi ke ukuthi sisi wami umuntu onjani, umuntu okhule kanjani.
I'm facing the right.
Yeah, that's your people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mina nguThami ngumuntu obhabha, ngumuntu othanda abantu. Yimlo inawo.
Yeah. So ngicela ungixoxele ke ukuthi esikela singasho ukuthi lower primary towards early stages of high school. Umuntu onjani? Like uThami nje lo wade high school nje.
uThami wasesikoleni ngokuthi uthanda ukudla.
Yeah.
Ngumuntu ukuthi bengisidudla.
Yeah,
right?
okay.
People abantu bebathanda.
And I see this body shaming basethi, don't body shame, please. Yeah.
Abantu bebangihara
Okay.
and then yeah.
So molo mntana lo abanokuphika kuye.
Yeah.
So lento le wena nje wazi ukuthi lo mntana lo like mayenza ube njani, like mayikhuthaza ukuthi esikoleni or mekufilisa ngathi ungasiya isikole or
because of being nabazali bebangiseka.
okay.
Bebangitshela ukuthi vele ngumntana special.
Yes.
You know.
Okay.
Akusiwo wonke umuntu, the reason why I used to do that because of akusiwo wonke umuntu I used to do that, so it means I'm special.
Yeah.
There's something about
so bayenza sure that by protected that self-esteem yakho. Okay.
But ngene isikole emlapo, primary, junior secondary and high school.
Okay. Yeah. So what kind of friends did you have when njoba many la? Like abangani bakho nje wena scheme sakho ngama bantu abanjani?
Obvious bengiphatha iLenda, I was protective of iLenda zami. Ukuthi hey lona uyabhora, protect abangani bakhe and thina simfundi sifuna
abangani bakhe. Yeah. So umudla ni5.
Yeah. But I had 2 friends and then
Okay. So bona mokabantu ababhabhi nabo or bashayela phansi.
Omunye kade ashayela phansi but angathanda abantu.
Okay.
So mina nomngani wami accommodated yena ngoba abantu kade bangamfuni esikolweni.
Okay.
So umngani wami lo munye she was umuntu right.
Okay.
Just like
so could come and collect it.
Yeah.
Okay, so lapho abantu baskimayo from the in the higher primary until the entrance high school.
Yeah.
Still usaskime bona. Oh uyachinja.
High school ngingashintsha abangani.
Okay.
And then because of angithi masingena primary sonke masiya ku high school siyahlukana. So I bekumele ngithola abangani abanye.
Okay, so isikole has changed. I thought ukuthi isikole siwa like from grade 0 to grade 12. Okay. So uyachinja going to high school. So it's new friends.
Yes.
So lawangani ongena nabo lapha since now so developer so zibona sister so high school phela manje.
Yeah, ngise high school yabo. Kumnandi high school but yeah.
So abangani bakho labo uba selectayo abangani abanjani lapho?
Mengithanda abantu bangekho into things.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I can say that. Yeah.
So njengoba uskimile and wena did you have that attitude ukuthi yimiphoza le scheme? Like did it give you that?
No, besingena maphoza but like you know, mawukhetha abantu.
Yeah.
You know, uyakhona ukubona ukuthi okay lo muntu lo ngimkhethile lo uyangidefine as a human being. And manginaye anginokuthi kumele ngiforce or
Yeah, so
anything,
you become comfortable.
Yeah, I just have to
Like,
be myself,
So
yeah.
abantu mo-select abangani bakho ngokuthi ni-right manginabo. It's not ukuthi hayi laba ngeke bangigwajisa, hayi laba ngeke bangigwala. Or los bangangigwala ngomfaka impama. Then you ever came to okay. All right. Hayi ngiyakuza ntwana yami. So ke ngicela ungitshele ke okay, going so say high school ke any activities owadlalayo like sports nani?
Primary bengidlala i-shot put and
Okay.
then
I used to play shot put, yeah.
Yeah,
But
and
abantu
then-
abalazy mangiyape. Yeah, because now mama ngiyathanda ukugijima.
but I think beginning secondary ngadlala ibhola ngaba i-goalkeeper and then ngaphuma
Okay.
and then yeah
So waphuma emachine or esikoleni.
ngaphuma emeshini
Okay, bazange
yeah
usadlala.
ngayokudlala ibhola
So ku shot put were you good?
I was okay.
You were okay.
Yeah.
Ku
And then
kubhola.
mara ku-primary when I was in primary ngoba like bengiyisilenda nyani bengibashiya yabo
Okay,
yeah
okay.
but
Yeah.
as I started gaining I think ngiqala ukugayina ngena grade 4-5
Okay.
then ngayekugijima.
So Moya so goalkeeper. Did you enjoy that sport, like, or were you good in that sport?
I was just trying something out.
Oh, so yeah, okay. So Java, so ulama stages with this, so you try. Like, did you and your girlfriends like even a lento level? I just try manje, utwala, just try in like.
Funny enough, umngani wami lo ngiye naye e-high school
Yeah.
ngihlangane naye ku-junior secondary.
Okay.
Right, yena bekasumuntu obekabhema ugwayi but
Okay.
but not every day.
Oh yeah.
So umngani wami kade angafuni ngibheme.
Okay.
As much as I was protective of yena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yeah. So mina ngingena I think it was secondary bengihluphela ngithi yazi ukuthi like abantu bayaphansi what
Yeah.
so bebangihlupha esikolweni yabo.
Okay.
So my friend was protective of that.
Okay.
Ukuthi hayi
Yeah.
yeah wena uzothi uyabhema bese ziyavukela
Yeah,
into ezapha and then
yeah.
yabo. And then came I think high school late. Kwenzakalani sabakhona ngicala ukubhema because of
Okay.
like lento
High
lezi
school
ezithethe.
late.
Yeah, like
Which language are you comfortable with?
I think it's suit.
It's
Yeah.
okay. You can speak Sotho because I feel good. You can explain more. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I think I picked like grade 11.
Yeah.
Late grade 11 after writing the exams. What happened? We were like, let's go smoke
Okay.
weed.
Yeah.
Then-
Weed.
Yes, that's how I started.
So when I was started with weed,
Yeah.
yo, can you please elaborate that day for you, Hari? Today, how were you? Like,
It was okay. It was nice because like it was nice. I was with my classmates and Monati
yeah.
and Richitsuko Paging. Then I had to walk back with the friend that I was telling you about.
Okay. Yeah.
I had to walk back home, and as we were walking home, you're like,
Yeah.
yeah, it was not easy, but yeah,
Okay.
it was nice.
So the feeling that you had, was it that feeling that was convincing you to get some more, or was that feeling that if you do it again, you're gonna feel like you're gonna get sick?
It was a feeling of I love this.
I'm gonna do it
Yeah.
again and again and again.
And again.
When there's nothing to
Yeah,
gain.
and then I fell in love with it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So grade 10,
Grade 11.
grade 11.
Yeah. Grade 11 late November after like my exams.
Yeah.
lunch, November.
So uyayithanda. It's something new. Sengicedile ama exam.
Yeah.
So
Kinda.
yeah.
Kinda.
Okay. So my buya next year so we matric.
Metric
Or
next
well,
year.
did you pass that like grade 11? Yeah.
So
So we matric.
yeah.
Mawungena lapha so
Nini
weekend.
yeah, nini nokudlula like namajita ngani umjita wame-1 artsamayarelo 2 babo.
Yeah.
Then
So how
yeah.
was the craving? Yeah, is on. Like how was the craving?
I didn't have it.
You didn't have a craving. So you were smoking just because you
Yeah.
fell in love with
Yeah,
that thing.
just like that.
Yeah.
Then up until I smoked 365 days non-stop.
like, okay, so njengoba manje monobhema like kanjani, like occasionally maybe.
Yeah, ngithi ngisathe ku high school
Yeah.
ngapha endlini ngiyasaba,
Okay.
yabo. So ngibhema kahle, and then after matric I smoked 365 days non-stop.
Yeah. So ngicela ungitshele ke before the matric so uqalile ne endlini like household enjani, like abantu abanjani, like what kind of family did you have, like mhlala no.
Okay. So endlini
Yeah.
bengine I was ngizothini uNkulunkulu bekangibusisile. I grew up with both parents.
Yeah.
Yes. And mama mi bekasonteze TC,
Okay.
baba masonte Sabatha.
Okay.
So ngikhulele endlini ukuthi uNkulunkulu yabo ukhona, yabo uyathandaza
Uyathandaza,
ufunda
yes.
iBhayibheli, you know.
Okay.
Mabakhuza bakuphi iBhayibheli bathi vula ufunda ukuthi bathini. And
Yes. So they were trying by installing that
Yes.
fearing attitude essentially.
yes,
Yeah.
Saturday ngeSabatha, Sunday
You
ngezinto.
see? Yeah. So it's ikawata wena musi bona basonta ngama 1-1 wena double.
Yeah. But I grew up ubaba mi bekaphuza.
Okay.
Phuza
in heavily or
Yeah,
kaphuza.
heavily.
Yeah, heavy.
Heavily.
Okay.
Mama mi bekasonta asebenza.
Megasonda heavily naye. So
Yo!
my editor two
Yeah, you know, the other day I was thinking about ukuthi yazi lo mama bengayithanda isiyo. Bekakunokuhamba 2 months, 3
Yeah.
months. Bangathathi ife 17. That
This is
2 months
20.
yonke uye Moria.
Sisuntweni.
Mama bekangakanani ndoda. Yo. Ngakhulu.
So yabona na ukuthi ucala naleya zolo leya. Maybe now mufuna something ozoba yakho ufuna hold on to yona.
No, mina I think for mina i-addiction yami yaziqale nini. Mangikhula mangithola i-comfort in food.
Okay.
Because of ngingadla kakhulu and then I started
Gaining weight. Okay.
Yes, that's where addiction yami iqale khona.
Okay, so mina what I'm trying to open up ne go. Angifuni ubone ngathi uwe obhedayo because everything starts somewhere. Now laba bayi2 they were addicted, they were addicts kweinto zabo. You understand? So that nature you go addicted to something may say corner already. You understand?
Yeah.
So what you became addicted to food, like how what was happening for you to find comfort every like what was going through your life in general that time?
Yes, I grew up with both parents, right? But it was not a happy home.
Yeah.
There was no peace. My mother was always shouting. My dad was always drunk. You know, like if my dad wanted to speak to my mother, they would do it through me.
Okay, so middleman.
Yeah, like Baba Magafunu something mama, like Jenu Mama, just about
Okay.
And bear in mind, Baba Mkulmisu, Baba Mkulmisut. So Mama me like would speak nami isisutu.
Yeah.
And then Baba Makume nami isisutu.
Yeah.
But being so pendul Baba ngesi.
Oh, Ngesut. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I engine you were saying Gakulu ne said like a mama. Ngwana kwa mama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I favored my mother.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Mom ntomazane role model kuba umama. Mom mfana role model kuba.
Yeah, and ngabona ukuthi my dad is wrong.
Okay.
Because of ngiyabona ukuthi okay mama uyavuka ekuseni every day. And then baba mina makavuka uye gymini mabuye gymini buyadakiwe and at late night.
Okay.
Yabo mama uyarasa.
Yes.
Yabo nini beba ngixoxe ukuthi lo baba wangishiya sporting. Like imagine. Yeah, ngisakhula because my mom was a nurse.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So nini lungena ama night shift yabo. So mangena ama night shift vyasaka na choice ushiya lo.
Melusela baba.
And baba mi nomntana bambi yabo. Nini numele amlande.
But mntana wesikhwele because melahlala mkukile.
Yeah. Aphuza and then bangkhumza ukuthi hayi man kuphi umntana, you know.
Yeah.
And then to a point ukuthi batsho imamami the neighbors are like
So bathi ukhohle baze bafika endlini yena.
yeah wabuyela endlini bathi hayibo kuphi umntana. He had to go back and go find the baby.
Yeah.
But abantu you know neighbors
Yeah,
phakathi njani uzothi hayi man ngoba uyasebenza night shift it's fine umntana uzothola la.
Yeah, uzomshiya ngapha.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, and then
Okay, well, it takes a village to raise a child. And so, okay. So, how's the relationship with you when you were so middleman?
with my dad and
I need to know relationship with mama and baba. It's not Ayob. Yeah. Eyakho nobaba wena, how was it? Since ukhule yazi ukuthi
was okay.
ubaba uyamthanda umntana entombazane. Because uyozokufundisa ukuthi vele you must be treated like this. You must be protected. You must be spoiled. Lento le install abobaba umntana entombazane. So how was your relationship with Nana?
It was okay.
It was okay. Even though noma ugcine somjudge ubone ukuthi ngathi you're wrong, it was still okay.
Yeah, it was okay.
Okay. Yeah. Eka mama nawe.
It was great.
It was great.
Yeah.
Ah, wena.
It was okay. Kana manje city like we being close ngoba sele sithu.
No
Baba.
Yeah. Umama.
She passed away.
Okay, I'm
Yeah, we'll
sorry.
still get to that. That's
Alright,
okay.
sorry. May her soul rest in peace. Yeah.
So
yeah.
So we are trying.
Yeah, must I explain the background yasekhaya so ukuthi kuliswa abazali boyi-2.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it was a God-fearing family kahle kahle.
Yeah.
If we can put it like that. So ngaphandle mawuphumela ngaphandle since kulabantu laba abasaba uNkulunkulu. Mawuqala kenza lento zabo zolo ufika kanjani wena la?
Hayi kade bangazi abantu ngikhona ukuyifihla yabona indaba yezolo. Ngikhona ukuyifihla and bengibhema izolo like nobody's business.
Yeah.
Yabona ijaye what's this? Peanut butter.
Yeah, le mama.
Peanut butter mayiphela ngiyayiwasha ngalisizolo.
Ulithathabi?
Ngiyayithenga.
Who's funding that?
My mom, but she doesn't know. But she doesn't know. You know, ngoba ngiyesikolweni every day.
Okay.
So when you're schooling every day, she's there, but she does not know which okay ngiphi imali yami.
Yeah. Okay.
So
all right.
Yeah, sometimes I know which I'm jabulile namhlanje, you know, here's money.
Yeah.
Go see what you buy for yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So masenza la my experience wenu ke. Since uwazi ukuthi kunotshwala and your mom hates the fake alcohol since there's your pops.
I was not a fan of alcohol.
Azange ube fan ya alcohol.
Only late.
Ayikuthi mara mudinwa ilesa simo lesa ukuthi ayinami ngiyocabana nomama.
No.
It didn't come to your mind. Okay. So uyaqhubeka at matric usayibhema insana. Yeah. So how's the lifestyle nje ku matric nje?
Matric, obvious. I was focused.
Oh, you were focused.
I was focused and yeah. Got look better after matric, you know.
How so? Like okay, ngifuna ukwazi mina ukuthi bheka ngathi ngifuna le picture lencane le ukuthi ku matric mengi focus like we elaborate nyani ukuthi like nomntana like I was attending
matric bengathanda amasipi bengazi ukuthi you know what I must get good results so that I'll be able to study something. Okay. Yes, I was confused about which ngiyenzani.
Yeah.
But bengazi ukuthi okay I must get good grades.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you fought for those good grades?
Yeah, I tried.
You tried.
Yeah,
I tried is a good thing.
I tried.
Yeah. Ngiyabuza mfethu. So coming here ukuthi yona lento le ukuthi na ku matric we are push the way ushawa amazolo. Say ngiyaqeda ku matric. There's this last day le bathi sikeza ama ball pen. How was your day ngalelo langa lelo?
Yo kumnandi kanjani ukubhala amahembe?
Yeah, like ngifuna ungi-explainele everything.
It was nice. So what me and my friends CSI plan ukuthi our uniforms so ithatha sibuyisele esikoleni.
Okay.
Our shoes will just take them back to school.
Okay.
Ngoba isikole yazi you know they know ukuthi ubani.
Yeah, so for the next child,
So what we choose to write must be only one thing.
Okay.
You know, we cannot destroy everything.
Yeah.
So sathatha like lawo mahembe and whatnot, you know. Paid man, ngoba mina bengiyisidudla. Isikete sesikole they had to tailor. It was
tailor-made
for me.
Yes.
So they had to do that for me.
Like I grew up with a family that's students are like most students like what are you saying like?
Bengiyisidudla for my age.
For your age,
yes.
Okay, yeah, all right.
For my age,
okay,
yeah.
No man
is
No man is a mega stool.
But yeah, but you know, these are some of the things that we get to
be with.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we get siyawa lelo langa lelo ke you
Kumnandi.
like you are happy. Ayikho into oyizamayo experience yayo lapho like
Nothing.
besides the video yakho.
Nothing.
Yeah. Are you
Nothing.
dating the 10?
No, I was not dating. Ngalook data the following year.
So you're not dating because of the low self-esteem onayo, you was told or in
Probably.
now munganandaba nje naba boys. Because
Labo boys kade bayangifuna ngithi bengifuna abo baba.
oh baba bonita
Yeah, and baba ngiyophoqa itsayini.
yeah. So how did it make you feel nje ukuthi ushela abantu abadala why you at that
As I said, my mother was a good support structure.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, like it's fine, does not matter, it's
Oh,
fine.
yeah, but you did report kuye but that's mama the problem is
Yeah,
also yeah.
like yes, mom done. Sometimes I understand.
Yes.
Yeah. So my mother was like, "I'm on time. It's okay. Don't worry."
Yeah, okay. All right. So now that
Yeah. It's,
yeah, good afternoon. Yes, okay. So what you can date nene?
the following year.
The following year. Vele so qedile isikolo so
Naye
yazi
unjani umuntu wakhona?
so yazi ukuthi uphasile nani
My
nani.
first lover. Yo, naye unjani? Yo. Yabonakala lapha yabe ngiqayekile. Yo.
Kanti bekanjani that time? Okay, naku niyajola ukushela where are you? Like ngingophi like.
Ngishele ngisemori besonta sonke.
Yiwe nemali.
Sisi.
Yeah.
So obvious, yazi sonteni. Ngishele kanjani vela ngishelanga. We just decided.
Okay, like oh you were close when night.
Yeah, we decided mina bengamazi but I met Memoria.
Yeah.
And then,
Like when you make close lapha eMoria.
Yeah.
Before you disappear ngeke uthi uyangibona lapho bese
Yeah.
udecide ukuthi ayiwami lo ya.
yeah, and Memoria wazi akumelanga asihambe so even if you are married. And hambi so
Need to like husband. Yeah.
Yeah, and hambi need to even if you are married.
Nenza kanjani?
Mele like omunye uhamba le bafane namantombazana.
Yeah. Okay.
So but like we sakhona ukuhamba.
Wena na.
Yeah. You know. But yeah, that's how
Okay.
that's where the relationship started.
Yeah.
And
So iyaqhubeka niqhubeka nibabantu abanjani date niphuma out besonto phela nina.
As we went there, yeah, sesontweni masithe phuma.
Nithi date nje.
Yeah, like so when I sonto maliphuma.
Yeah, so but ifika kanjani indaba ukuthi niyathandana like this make loving because
wangitshela.
mamela ngabantu besonto and there's a scene and lapha show bayisho ukuthi ayiyekeni ihlawule mali.
But nah, we just decided.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just decided.
Time breaking the rules.
Yeah.
Uyabhema lesi sikhathi izolo lakho.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah,
So,
yena
nothing.
akabhemi
Akaphuza.
akaphuzi
Yeah, umsiyoni.
straight like lo geometric ngeke piece
Go.
you
And then obviously ngiyabhema every day esikoleni.
yeah
Esikoleni sometimes angiye classini.
no angeke uyaqhubeka ngama studies wakho wena
Yeah.
after yeah okay
Ngiyabhema but angiye classini.
uyabhanka
Yeah, ngiyabhanga. And remember, Varsity College, what they do, if you miss classes,
asithele le nto leya
by a yet,
yeah
they send the emails
Yeah,
to
abazali
umuntu obhadalayo.
yeah abazali bayazi whereabouts
Angibuza ukuthi and then wena ngithi ayi ngisikala ngisasifuni.
kanjani
Ngisikala ngisasifuni. And then I made it to second year. But you
Until-
mina isikala ngisasifuni.
yeah so
Second,
kwenzani lapho
ngenza e-commerce and marketing.
so who choose for you
My sisters.
why like yini into strong abayibone ukuthi wena ungaba right la like oh
We just wanted, like everyone just wanted me to in school.
okay
Yeah.
bona bayenzani bona bakulawa ma field lawo or
They both in safety.
so wena bakulahlela nje somewhere
Yeah.
uyi-one
Because my meeting nama subject la we comments. So I think that's why.
yeah sengisho bakulahlela laphaya
Yeah, and if it's nyenga it's like from your school.
okay
So they're like, okay, it's fine, we'll
Okay.
make a plan for you.
all right
So yeah.
so what yini into ekudinayo ke wena is
Angithi ngiyafela ndoda ngiyabhema.
oh wena uyazifeyilisa because I need to dom
Yeah, ngiyabhema ngapha yabo.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
keep up with school.
okay
You cannot balance it.
Yes.
Izolo yakhathalisa.
and laphana vela basachika njengasesikoleni
Yeah, bonga submitanga it's
yes
okay, sharp. Long story short, the following year, But every time I'm tata gap year.
Okay.
My mom is like, okay, Tammy, you cannot take a gap year. Use me while I'm still alive.
Yes.
It's no.
So this is my opportunity.
It's time, bye. Young time. I'm fooling me. I said, okay, sharp. And then I decided to leave.
To leave home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hamani, Suntalaga Baba.
Okay.
Then I went to
So,
stay at Adventist home.
Was it spiting your mom or something like that? Or
Yeah.
or you wanted that?
Full force.
Also, okay.
Yeah. And as we say, is it saying to a community with me like super more?
Yeah.
Is it to see bank sizilo mumuntu right nya.
So like Maunga should know we do like
I don't like speaking about it.
Okay,
because,
no, it's okay.
I cannot explain some of the things.
It's okay, super okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was
Yeah.
dilating.
It was just the face. Like
Yeah.
like everyone has to pass through somewhere.
Yeah. So exizile leon.
Yeah, yeah, it's not for me. That's not for me.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh.
Yeah, more muntu man ish. Meludlula somewhere before you realize it's manayele.
True that.
It's not for me. So
Because mengeke sithi sibadala mangabazange udlule ebuntwaneni.
yeah, so for me
Yeah.
it's part of that. Like it was that, yeah.
Okay.
Ilapho, ikona, somewhere.
It's that thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Nyahamba netimer.
ngiyahamba ngiyohlala a place called i-Adventist home.
Okay.
It's like indlu yamasabatha.
Yeah.
And then there I became a vegan.
So kapha konke lokho okwaziyo ngani?
Yeah, ngapha konke. Now I learned the Bible, I learned God.
Vegan ayidli
Does not take anything.
inyama ebulawe manje.
A vegan does not take any type of food from animals.
Yeah, hayi ukuthi inyama ebulawe manje or ini.
Whether it's milk, whether it's cheese.
Into ephuma nje esibaleni.
Yeah. With sweet, I had to really move because of sweet. It has this thing called gelatin.
Yeah.
Gelatin is from a bone marrow yenkomo.
So who's detailing you ngalezi zinto lezi ukuthi into so inento yini?
Angithi amasabatha ama-vegetarian.
Yes.
Yes.
So I understand.
Okay.
Saying wena who's breaking it down to kuwe ukuthi inani ungayidli. I'm talking like who's giving you those things?
We got to learn there.
Okay.
Yeah, we got to learn. I got to learn the process of making bread. That's why I started to learn how to cook.
Okay.
Because being a pig means
Yeah. She's
But-
dead.
not really.
My friend.
Not really. But I got to you know.
Yes.
I got to stand up for myself without.
Yeah, so aqala ba responsible kuma-chores wakho manje.
Yeah, and then lapha baswashisa ingubo, not ingubo, my sheets twice, like in a week. You must make it once.
Okay.
Like
So in a month it's 4 times.
yes.
Yeah.
Washing every week.
Yeah,
Wash. Imagine, you have a day your baker. You have a day to cook. You have to go to the garden. You must come back and read the Bible.
Mm-hmm.
You must come back and present. You know, and you must wake up and exercise. Like
So kuzo zonke lezi zinto ne switching your lifestyle. What you made it difficult to let go. Like I'm not paying maybe good angeke uyithole. But uyazi ukuthi inyama cho.
It was easy. It was easy. Good thing, a change of diet, it impacts the body. But these, I need to lose about your life. But these, my coach drink a sapuza manzi, sapuza like fruit juice. You make juice from scratch. You know, you make everything from scratch. If flour, by time I'm saying flour straight, they buy him. When you're getting grown wheat. Then they grind it. You grind it. You do everything from scratch. Yes, we used to do peanut butter, we used to do paste, we used to do tomato sauce, we used to do we used to buy like
so those are tips. Isn't the owner experience? Yes, like you can have your own home and do those things for yourself.
That's where my love for cooking started.
Okay.
Because
and how was the love for eating food?
It expanded.
But when it's also healthier.
Yeah.
But still, like,
We used to eat cake for breakfast.
okay.
Excuse me. There was a Swiss rolls. We used to do them, for breakfast. Pizza from scratch, pizza without meat, without cheese. We used to do it, and we also made chocolate from Coke.
Chocolate, Coke.
Not Coke,
Oh,
not
cookie.
Coke, not Coke. As in like Coke, as in like the nut Coke.
Oh, coconut.
No,
Oh, Coke.
like ngizothini?
As in Coke.
Cola.
Okay.
Cola.
Okay.
Cola is a nut.
Alright. I'm not impel. Cola ngazi flavor.
Cola is a nut. It's also called Coke.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a nut and something to have tasty nutish nyana. So
Okay. Like
it also like gives you flavor nyana.
Yes.
So
okay, to your chocolate.
yeah, no cocoa powder.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Cocoa powder. Everyone
Yeah, ngiyabona cocoa powder.
And then there's also Coca-Cola nut.
Yes. Ngiyakuza icola nut yengayazi.
Is it?
Ngoba ngizikugula masiqeda ukuhluka.
No problem. No problem.
Ngizikugula masiqeda ukuhluka.
Yes, and then and then that's where it all started.
Yeah.
And then one day, so labaya we see different types of soups.
Okay.
Brown, yellow, green, like call them.
Yeah.
Sopo manje mina ngilifuna.
Manje usalih.
Hayi,
And oil.
yabona isopo i-peanut butter isinkwe esibhakiwe si-brown.
Eh.
Mhlambe si-white ngoba ngiyasithanda, but
Okay.
esi-brown right.
So sorry, what is it like? How often did you eat them?
Every day.
Like ngavuka ekuseni ngayo isuka ne-peanut butter
We are saying
nakusasa,
breakfast is
same
at
thing.
7.
Okay.
Right? Udla imdogo nesinkwa with peanut butter and fruits. Then lunch we used to eat twice a day.
Okay.
You miss lunch, you will eat tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Yabo.
So wangafika kudliwa ngo-2 wangafika
If you get at 7:30, you're not
osadlanga
you're not eating. You must be at 7 o'clock. You must be at the table.
etafuleni lakho.
Yes.
So who has the security lapho?
Umfundisi.
So umfundisi ma ufike late akakuniki kudla.
You don't eat. You know the time.
You.
You know the time. And at 3 you must wake up and pray and have your special communion with God. And then at 5 you must go exercise.
So uhlala isikhathi singakanani lapho?
Hlale 6 months.
6 months. Compared to that cattle figure, how was your weight?
Yeah.
Because manje awusabhemi and
I lost.
walose. Yeah. Okay.
And then came back home, apologized to my mother, told her that I found something that I want to do. I want to go study food.
Like study food as in the chef.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we from this thing, okay.
And she's like, "Why batla lo bala dikuku? Tuma ka batlang bala dikuku." I'm like, "Ke nna, I want to do that."
Yes.
She's like, "Okay, Tamkupa, kile ka patala school fees. You never finished.
Yeah.
So now prove yourself that you want to go to school."
Okay.
I went. Man, now I know things are different.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay, all the things are different. How so?
I know what I did last time, and it did not work for me.
Which is
Smoking every
Okay,
day and
okay.
not studying.
all right. Yeah.
So now, because I know how things are done,
Okay.
I'm not smoking the way I used to smoke.
Smoke. Yeah. Also, you go back to smoking still.
Yes.
Okay.
Obvious.
Okay. Manje ubuyela kanjani? Like ufika kanjani ukuthi uzubuyela? Like uhlangana nabo abakhetha uphema nabo?
Bengabhemi na wonke umuntu intsango.
Yeah.
So I used to have my own.
Phela like 6 months I think seyiphumile nasesystemini.
Yeah, marumbhema akhohlwa ukubhema. Even now, even if I can decide to go smoke,
Yeah.
I still know how to smoke.
Yeah, uyazi ukuthi uzopasa kanjani, uyazi
Yeah.
ukuthi uzobhema kanjani.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So what happened? Sengihlala esikolweni manje.
Okay.
I have my limits.
Yeah.
Yazi ngishawa yini? Utsholo. Esikolweni.
So usabambisene nobani?
Ngamshiya dala.
Yeah.
Ngamshiya dala. Manje, my addiction is on a guy.
Okay.
This guy uphuma e-SD Swaziland.
Okay.
And things in town.
Yeah.
Aibo.
Yes, it's Swati.
Yo, jackpot. I'm like, you know what? La nyahlala la.
Yeah.
Like la nyahlala. Angisathengi intsango.
Yeah.
Ay,
Like
saya.
usinemane later manje. Like
Ay.
aksa compromise. Yeah.
So I just know it's okay, sharp. So what the mistake that I did there was falling in love and disrespecting my parents.
Okay. So Angela, like njengoba sotsho masinemane, like did you become heavy kuzolo futhi?
Yeah.
Okay.
But at least now I have a limit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So njengoba heavy kanje, is it ukuthi awusabancinci laba unomuntu ophandayo or
Angisangcingi bani?
abazali like njengoba uthi aba disrespect?
Yazi eish. Yeah, ngasho kanjalo. But not ukuthi angisabancane.
Yeah, angiphela look the moment.
Ah,
Leyo
not
moment
ukuthi-
le. So okay.
Uzofika lapho ngabancane khona.
Okay.
We still coming.
Yeah. So if you kanjani ukuthi ba disrespect wena moyibeka ngamagama akho?
Obvious, angithi yazi ukuthi umntana mahlale res. They coming for a week or you go to Masval.
Okay.
Okay, it's fine. But like it's just
Yeah.
Angizi.
Asapakashwe.
Mangiza like Sunday.
Ubuya somewhere.
Ngilokhu ngihleli nomuntu wami.
Yeah, kulapho somewhere.
Yeah. Sengiza Sunday ngizothatha ukudla, ngizothatha imali yokudla, ngizothatha imali yerent, you know. That's it.
Yeah, bona bathini kuwe njengoba like suyandlula usangeni la ekhaya wena. Sondlula la ekhaya.
Wena seyajola wena.
Yeah.
I am jolly up until it was visible.
Okay. But how awkward was it? Mama Booz, Mama Tissue, joining. Like more.
My mommy did not want with
In the was on joy. Yeah.
Arkitlo hata. Klata. Kaskol. Klata and my mama funny someone claim. I.
Okay, so how long did it become visible? Like did it take long?
You know, as it behavior muntu yashintsha. You know, yashintsha.
Yeah, immediately when Mama was something.
Yeah, yashintsha.
Yeah.
So mina endlini bayazi ukuthi uthama kanje.
Okay.
So uthamiseka kanje. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now angisananda ukuthi bathini.
Okay.
Like nabo bayazi ukuthi katsamaya kakomuzi.
Yeah, wena uthile.
Yeah, kakomuzi.
Yeah, singakubuza ngayithuka iqiniso. Sesiyazi ukuthi ayilosa ngahamba.
Yeah, if ever like bangathi Tami awuyiko. But okay, sharp. But at least I can read kakomuzi.
Get yeah.
And then it happened ukuthi okay. What happened?
Yeah, manje lesikhathi lesi ukuthi uyadlula sibayazi manje
Yeah, sibayazi.
Jola manje, yeah.
Up until one day, we December. Right? You know December it's family time.
Yes.
Musathi awuyendlini.
Uthi brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Athi awuyendlini. Seswathi.
Eh? Yeah?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah.
Isn't it down? No,
No, I won't get it definite, but like that's what happened.
yeah, vele.
Yeah.
Okay, confronting your parents ke ubatshela ngalento le ukuthi manje
Nothing.
mama, ngiyadlile.
Nothing.
Ngiyadlula ama-border manje.
Nothing.
Passports and whatnot.
Musa sorted it out.
Yeah.
And then Walana were very bad up until today.
Okay.
Gibo bangzon and then I think Gibo bamrata off.
Mm-hmm.
And then mina githi manguya nabangiqolela.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I apologized and then yeah.
So yena kubo bamwriter off kanje ubuyela kuphi ubuyela kubo naye. Or
He had to fight, he had to stand up for himself.
Yeah, or your rent or something.
Yeah, he had to stand up for himself.
Okay, so niyaqhubeka niyajola wena naye.
Yeah, but now the relationship it's not good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Manje. Oh, at that time,
Yeah,
it doesn't know.
time,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
And then in that process my mother started to be sick, very sick.
Yeah.
And then she retired
Okay.
at work. And then from there what happened, mama msekadinga attention. Okay, so ngiyamhambisa esibhedlela. Right, ngiyamhambisa esibhedlela. But every time siya esibhedlela, siya clinic, wherever we going. we're not coming back. Nendaba
It's mnandi.
It's mnandi,
Yeah,
no?
like kuba worse and worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what happened is that sengiqala utshwala.
Okay, so yeah, pause.
Ngafundiswa umuso. Phuza utshwala.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, he introduced the alcohol lifestyle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yabo ngifundisa ukuphuza iblackie, sesiyaphuza sesihamba ama-clubs, you know, I'm not that person.
Yeah.
Music, yabo
Yeah.
bantu abagcwele, it's not my thing. Then yeah.
Okay. So hambisa umama ke manje ngapha soyaphuza.
Yes.
Sona ma izinto ezingajwayelekanga
Yes.
manje. So how did you cope no mama? Like mongabuyi kuseni ushaya amapapalaza usuleka ukumhambisa or nolanda amapilisi usebumnandini awubuyanga.
You know, that was not even the case.
Yeah.
You know, at first, like, bengihamba naye imbiza.
Okay.
Mangishiya esibhedlela, and then it's a different case.
Okay.
Mangishiya esibhedlela, obviously, she's admitted.
Okay.
Ayilali endlini, uyenzani endlini?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And at that time, Pumera breakup in almost.
Okay.
It was a very painful breakup.
Okay.
Ngapha umama.
Mhm.
And then I was like, you know what, I won't deal with the pressure kamusa right now, my mother's sick.
And how's the support thing baba?
I don't wanna lie. Right? He started to be part of Ijeniga Mamami when I was in the streets.
How can you?
Masing mama drugs.
Okay, we'll get to that. Okay.
Yes.
So when ulukubambisene no mama nje.
Yes.
Yeah, uziphuzela utshwala.
Mama, like the way it was so painful, it was painful to a point whereby umama makagula ebusuku. Lele no baba, I'm in the same bed. Right? I'm in the other room.
Yeah.
Mama mubiza mina.
And
That's why ulele awuthi lela
ayivuki
yakhona.
out yakhe
Yakhona.
kanti
Yakhona. Ambulance mangibiza uyakhona.
yo
Mavuke ekuseni ngithi ndoda. Kanti why ungavuki, you know? So one day, you know what happened one day? I needed to breathe, honestly.
Yeah.
I needed, like, it was too much.
When
for me.
it
was too much.
It was too much for
Yeah,
me, man.
like being seen and
and
then
like,
feel ngathi like
Usasomntwana.
Yabo.
Yeah.
I needed to breathe, honestly.
Yeah, mufuna leso space sakho
Yeah.
Kungabi into ekblockayo anyway that
I needed to
you want
breathe.
to breathe, bro.
Bengiceda ukushiya umama eMatseke.
Okay.
And I honestly needed to breathe. You know, bebazongithatha bamitha ePitori esibhedlela esenhliziyo.
Okay.
So what happened? I needed something strong. I needed to forget everything. Because my mother, like, bekadinga surgery enhliziyo. Ngapha she's failing to breathe. She's in high care unit, you know. Things are not working out.
Yeah.
The doctors bangitshela isilungu esingaka esidinga dictionary, you know. And
So mawuthi ufuna into strong, iziphi into strong wena ozaziyo like engqondweni yakho like time.
ngathenga ibrand
Yeah.
lapha ePick n Pay lapha eBhanga.
Yeah.
Thenga ibrand, ngathenga nogwayi. Abheka ngathi mina ngitsana. Shaya isayidini lento lezi.
I want something strong.
I want something strong.
Yeah.
Then I remembered, it's okay, while I was at school, like abangani bami, they used to take something, you know, and like I needed to breathe, honestly. Like,